So today we're going to replace these spring hinges. What a spring hinge is designed to do is to close the door automatically. So there's two spring hinges on this door and you can see it's not closing, so it's failed. So the first thing we do, we get new spring hinges to put in and then place them in without setting the spring yet. So that will go in there just like that. Obviously, it's not this way because the door wouldn't shut. So just make sure you have the spring hinge installed the correct way. So I'm going to take off these screws here. It's best to do, if you have to do two of them, just do one at a time. That way your door doesn't fall off. So I have the new one in there, and I'm just going to get these screws lined up. Finish these up. Okay, I have the top one installed and the bottom one installed. Now it's time to set the spring. Okay, in the kit that they give you, you should have an Allen wrench, a pin, and this little pry bar. You'll need that to pull tension on the spring. Once tension is pulled, then you put your set pin in. We'll do that right now. It's going to be difficult to do one-handed. Okay, I need a tripod. So with the door shut, put in your Allen wrench. See where it's springy like that? With a 90-degree door open, you want to pull this 4 holes. So you see 1, 2, 3, 4 holes. So my pin goes in there. Okay, I gotta set the camera down. Sorry about this, guys. Okay, my pin is set, and if I open this door, it'll want to close now. Not very much. That's why there's 2 spring hinges on this door. So we'll do the next one now. Okay, so I messed up when I installed this top one. I put it in upside down. The Allen wrench should be at the top, and but it's okay. That's why we do things, so we know how to fix them. So don't be scared to do things and messing up, because that's just part of life. You can always go back and fix them. So now I'm going to go set this upper spring just like I did the bottom one. I'll pull it around. Yeah, I gotta pause it. So the last step is, see that pin sticking out a little bit? We want to push that all the way in. The way we do that is just take a little tension off the pin, and it should go all the way in, just like that. Same for the bottom. So, does it work? Yes, it does. Our job's done.